So earlobe reconstruction has become a very popular procedure here at our clinic, and the main reason for this is that the stretching the earlobes was a very popular thing to do. Maybe 10 years ago we used to see a lot of it, and now people are wanting to kind of fix it for all kinds of reasons. We have a lot of people going into jobs where it's not suitable to have those earlobes anymore, like they're joining the police force, they're becoming a security guard, they're doing some kind of job where having those earlobes no longer suits their lifestyle. So quite an easy procedure in clinic under local anaesthetic, and what we do, we can fix a couple of different types. This is kind of a moderate kind of earlobe repair, which only really requires a stitch back together. So we'll take away the skin from the inside. Sometimes we need to do a little flap there and just stitch it back together, and you'll see here how we've created a perfect little contour to the ear there. Some are a little bit more severe. You'll see in this case where there's been quite a large gauging of this earlobe, and what we've done here is we've just created more of a kind of flap there. We've had to take away some skin and sew it back together naturally, and you can see it's got quite a nice contour to the earlobe there. And what we also do after this is this gentleman will receive some complimentary scar removal laser to help with the healing process. So quite a quick procedure. Stitches come out in about a week's time, that's basically it. It's a really straightforward in-office procedure. It takes about half an hour for both ears, and really for a lot of people can be life-changing.